Sunscreen, very important. Always put it on your face and whatever touches the light before you go outside. And in Canada, as well as bug spray, because the bugs are really, really bad and they will sting through whatever you're wearing. I left my boots in the truck, so I had to go and get them. And as soon as I put my boots on, it started raining. So now I'm going to muck in the rain, which is lovely. So I'm just getting into my Ranger right here. And here we go. If you're wondering why I'm wet, my roof just vanished. So it's gonna be fun today. Luckily Stretch came to help me out with the mucking. Hi! What are you up to? Mischief! I knew it! I'm done for today. I'm gonna go inside and take a shower because it will not stop raining anyway. Good morning again. Today is my day off and as you can see it stopped raining and I'm going to the lake today to have some fun. First of all I'm gonna have my chai latte at the local coffee shop before I will start my adventure. So this is the 108 lake. It's about 8 miles from 100 Mile House as you can tell and it's gorgeous. So it's my day off today and I thought why not go for a hike around the lake to see if there's any suitable place for the horses to swim. Because it's really hot outside and I really like them to be able to cool off in this, right? Because there's a heat wave coming, I'm going to show you how I make my favorite lemonade. So you start by squeezing out half a lemon and then you get your maple syrup, because I am in Canada, I'm going to use that of course. And you fill it up until you have a nice bottom full of it. Then you add your lemon juice and you give it a little swirl so it mixes well. And when you've done that, you can add some water and ice and then you're done. Have a nice refreshing summer drink. I will see you guys next week. Bye!